अभी तक 25 बॉडीज गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज में लाए गए, उसमें से 7 पोस्टमार्टम हो चुके हैं, उसमें से 12 बॉडीज आइडेंटिफाई किए गए और इधर बर्न्स में पांच लोग जिनका ट्रीटमेंट चल रहा है। वो बेस्ट प्रोटोकॉल जो है यूज करके वी सी आर बेस्ट दे आर आउट ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल।
इन्हें कुछ कंपनसेशन देने की बात भी की गई है, अभी मुआवजा देने की बात की गई है।
वो मुझे पता है, आपको मुख्यमंत्री से बात करना पड़ेगा।
सर बॉडी भी त्यांची आवश्यक
काय ना ते सरकार घेतली, मुख्यमंत्री योग्य तरीके डिसिजन घेतले। सेक्रेटरी हेल्थ आम्ही जे की हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटच्या माध्यमातून करतो आहे ते करण्याची जबाबदारी आम्ही घेऊन
There are 5 patients who are having 12% injury, okay, and they are recovering very fast. And I hope that by tomorrow or day after tomorrow they will be able to discharge. Only one girl is there who is having something 28% injury. Okay, rest are they are in better condition.
One is seriously
Injured means one girl is there, okay, who is 20 years old, and but she is also recovering. It is not that she is not recovering; she is also recovering, and our efforts are that to make them fully recover, okay, so that they can go home very fast.
So how many boys? How many percent you said?
Total 5 people are there.
How many boys and how many girls?
So 4 boys are there and 1 girl is there, who is 20 years old. Okay, so altogether 5 patients are there who are admitted for burn injury in GMC.
I think doctors are doing a good job putting things together and trying to ensure that they are taken care. As we stand with the families of the victims, we are also ensuring that the government is doing its best to assist their families to connect. And we as a tourism department, along with our tourism director, we are just to ensure that individually we are able to take care. We are pressing one of our persons into this area if required to connect. Anything else is required. The government machinery, the chief minister, is continuously monitoring as we look at compensations for the people who are not there anymore with us, who have lost their life through the tragic incidents. This is a very clear thought that these incidents should not happen in a place like Goa, especially with the way it has happened.
पूरे गोवा के लोग हिल गए हैं ये इंसिडेंट में। ऐसा कभी गोवा में हुआ ही नहीं, जैसे कि फायर होना और किसी की मौत होना। इतने 25 लोग, उसमें 3 औरत गुजर गए और बहुत सारे लोग बहुत ही दुखी है गोवा के और पूरे इंडिया के। गोवा इज टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन है और गोवा में ऐसा कभी दाग नहीं लगा था, ये पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है। पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही है और जो भी आदमी इसमें मिलेगा कि ये रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, उसको पुलिस ने सही तरीके से सेक्शंस लगा के, बीएनएस सेक्शंस लगा के उसको बुक करना है, जो भी लोग हैं।
अपोजिशन एक एलिगेशन कर रही है कि इलीगल कंस्ट्रक्शन है और उसको
तो इलीगल कंस्ट्रक्शन का ऊपर से गिर गया। कोई जो भी है यहाँ रिस्पॉन्सिबल लोग, वो लोगों ने एक्शन लेना चाहिए था। तो मैं अभी भी बोलता हूँ कि एक्शन होना चाहिए। तो अगर वो इलीगली चला रहे थे तो वो लोग उसको सील करना चाहिए था। सीलिंग ऑर्डर मिलता है, वो पंचायत के ऊपर है, उसने करना है।
ये पंचायत का नेग्लिजेंस ऐसा बोल रहा है?
नहीं, मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ ऐसा नेग्लिजेंस। पुलिस को पहले इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने दो कि कौन से इसमें इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रहा है, और इन्वेस्टिगेशन का सही रिजल्ट आ जाएगा बाहर और उसमें मालूम पड़ेगा कि कौन फॉल्ट में है। अभी एक वीडियो सर्कुलेट हो रहा था कि पंचायत बोल रही कि सरपंच बोल रहा है कि मैं रिस्पांसिबल नहीं हूं, सरकार रिस्पांसिबल है, स्टे ऑर्डर डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायत ने दिया। लेकिन पंचायत ने लाइसेंस दिया क्लब चलाने को, और लाइसेंस भी है हमारे पास। अभी हमने सुबह सेक्रेटरी से मंगाया लाइसेंस कि भाई ऐसा है तो मेरे को दिखाओ, तो सेक्रेटरी ने लाइसेंस दिया। सो जब लाइसेंस मिलता है तो वो क्यों बंद करेगा? आप लाइसेंस को रद्द करो, पहले कैंसिल द लाइसेंस बाय फॉलोइंग प्रॉपर प्रोसीजर। आपने कौन सा प्रोसीजर करके उसको लाइसेंस दिया है? कुछ प्रोसीजर करके नहीं दिया है, और वो भी क्लब का लाइसेंस दिया है। पहली बार मैं देख रहा हूं, हमारे कलंगुट पंचायत ने आज तक क्लब का लाइसेंस नहीं दिया है। क्लब बोल के कोई नहीं देता ही नहीं है, रेस्टोरेंट का देता है। इधर लाइसेंस है क्लब का, इट इज रिटन ओवर हियर, क्लब, यू कैन सी, नाइट क्लब, रेस्टोरेंट कम नाइट क्लब। ऐसे पहली बार मैं देख रहा हूँ, ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ।
देखिए, मैं आज अभी हॉस्पिटल में जाके आया हूँ। बर्न जो यूनिट है वहाँ पे 5 पेशेंट्स की ट्रीटमेंट हो रही है, जिसमें से एक की हालत है जो वो क्रिटिकल है। एक लड़की है जिसकी अब 28% बर्न है, उनकी हालत क्रिटिकल है। एक डॉक्टर है, ही इज़ बेटर पेशेंट एंड अदर मीन्स उनका हेल्थ बेटर है बाकियों से। और 3 लोग हैं जिनकी हालत अभी कहीं नहीं जा रही कि क्या हो सकता है। 25 लोगों की डेथ हो चुकी है। और जिस तरीके से ये इंसिडेंट हुआ और जिस तरीके से आज सरकार मानती है, और चीफ मिनिस्टर ने खुद कहा है कि इस क्लब को परमिशन नहीं था, इलीगल चल रहा था, तो क्या आपकी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सो रही थी? क्या आप सो रहे थे? ये सवाल उठ रहा है। आज एक सवाल ये उठता है कि जो लाइफ है, ह्यूमन लाइफ है, उसका वैल्यू क्या है भारतीय जनता पार्टी की, गोवा की सरकार का? जिस तरीके से मैंने आज 1 साल से मैं कहता आ रहा हूँ कि एक्सटॉर्शन चल रहा है, 1 साल से मैं कहता आ रहा हूँ कि क्लब्स जो है बिना परमिशन के चलते हैं और इनके चलाने के लिए हफ्ते लिए जाते हैं। और ये मैंने ओपनली कहा था, नाम भी दिए थे कुछ, लेकिन सरकार की तरफ से कोई भी कार्रवाई नहीं हुई थी। It is unfortunate that Chief Minister is today crying crocodile tears and saying that he will take action, do magisterial inquiry. But we have been trying to tell them that this is going on. This could have been preempted. These deaths could have been avoided. Why the Chief Minister has not taken action so far on the administration, which failed to take action against these clubs? Why were they allowed to operate without permissions, without safety norms? And this tragedy is absolutely, government is responsible. Not just vicariously, but directly responsible for the death of the people. There is blood on the hands of this government. Chief Minister is solely responsible for administrative failure. And we demand that compensation of 2 lakhs, not just 2 lakhs, but compensation equivalent to a life that you believe it is equal value of the life, because there is no value of life as far as this government is concerned. It needs to be paid. You can avoid making 1 or 2 events that you do and spend 25-30 crores on these events. Just avoid taking commission from that, and probably you'll be able to compensate enough for the victims. So I think it is a very unfortunate incident that has happened. Our prayers are with the family. They are in a very sad state. We have met the family members of certain patients. They are disturbed. They don't know. They have actually sworn never ever to come to Goa, because some of them could not get an ambulance, some of them could not find an ambulance to come here, and that shows how administration has reached a state where I think सब कुछ जो चल रहा है वो भगवान भरोसे चल रहा है। और ये भगवान भरोसे वाली जो सरकार है, उसमें अगर जनता की लाइफ का वैल्यू नहीं है तो और क्या करेंगे?
As per some major opposition sports you demanded.
Yes, it's important that this chief minister should resign first of all, because it's his responsibility that what has happened. He is responsible because it shows administrative failure. There is no doubt about it. Because the authorities have failed to act, these clubs have operated. It's not a small club. There was no safety norms followed. The situation of the club was such that people could not exit. They went to the basement and they died due to suffocation, not due to fire burns, which shows that there was no proper plans which are required as per norms. That is an exit plan in any restaurant. I am also into restaurant industry, and I know how when as locals we go for permission, seeking permissions, how the fire department asks us to show exit plan and all the sprinklers and everything which were absent in this. If they were there, then this incident would not have happened. So now, when Chief Minister admits it at 3 o'clock in the morning, who told him that there was no permission? Why Chief Minister has not even visited the hospital till now? Just because these people who lost their lives or who are getting treatment is not their family. There are various questions which needs to be raised. Question of safety of tourists, question of illegalities that are happening in the administration, the way the government departments are functioning or non-functional they have become, because the administration, the one who holds administration and who holds majority of the portfolios, he is the chief minister who has no trust over his ministers, because he is holding majority of the portfolios. And yet he is not able to keep a control because he has no time. From environment to PWD, which partly is given now, from home to the other permission which requires finance, everything is vested with him. It's as simple as that. I don't have to say much more than that.
Okay. और एक है जो आपने बताया कि डीजीपी ने बोला है कि सिलेंडर ब्लास्ट हुआ है
2:30 या 3 बजे डीजीपी कहते हैं कि सिलेंडर ब्लास्ट से हुआ है। अभी मैं जिन पेशेंट से मिलकर आया हूँ, वो डॉक्टर है, वो खुद कहते हैं कि वो खाना खा रहे थे, तभी एक शो शुरू हो गया। अंदर शो के पीछे जो डांसर्स थे उनके पीछे फ्लेयर जो थे वो फ्लेयर स्टार्ट किए गए, जिसकी वजह से रूफ स्टार्टेड बर्निंग। जो रूफ 15 सेकंड 30 सेकंड के अंदर रूफ वॉज मेड ऑफ हे, उसने फायर कैच कर ली और वो गिर गया नीचे पूरे सोफे पे गिर गया, सोफे जल गए। उसकी वजह से जो लोग डरे, जिनको बाहर जाने का रास्ता नहीं था, वो बेसमेंट में चले गए। जो पूरा स्मोक था बेसमेंट में चला गया और वो वहां पे बर्न की बजाय सफोकेशन से मरे। तो आई थिंक इट इज कंप्लीट फेलियर ऑफ सेफ्टी नाउ. Who is responsible? Administration. Those licensing authorities which granted license and allowed it to operate without license if they were operating without license. They have other establishments where demolition orders are there. But they are operating daily. You think police are not aware? Or are the police blind? Are the police station blind who are letting this operate? Or is the DGP of unsound mind that he makes a statement at 2:33 in the morning that was a cylinder blast? So blame it on the cylinder blast. Or were you asked to make that statement? So this is something which does not meet the eye. Rather, it meets the eye. When I say, we were discussing with Valmiki, our working president, that we have been saying this time and again. I think Valmiki has taken 10 press conferences. I have taken 20, where we have pointed out time and again. But it's a failure.
Sunday, with the death of 25 innocent lives that are lost due to failure in administration, complete collapse and crisis in the law and order situation in the state of Goa, led by Dr. Pramod Sawant and the BJP double engine Sarkar. They have failed Goans miserably. Never in the history has such an incident taken place where 25 lives have been lost. This particular club was operating within a manas and a salt pen. Itself was illegal. And when it was illegal, it was asked to be demolished. Who stayed this? It doesn't have a court order. Which government official stayed this? They have to be booked immediately. This government, under moral responsibility, they have to resign. They have to be sent home. Goa cannot tolerate such type of dictates where mafias, land mafias, these club mafias are operating without fire permissions. This is a total illegal club that was operating because there was nexus between politicians, police and the club owner. Despite having the intelligence, the police have failed and people have lost 25 innocent lives. I just visited now. 5 people are still recovering. They are also very serious and critical. What message are we trying to show? Goa today has been known to be the murder capital, rape capital. Today is getting another name of killing people. So is Goa safe is a big question mark. We are having tourism as the only industry, but the tourism industry also has been purposely being failed by these administrators, and we demand that this government be dismissed immediately.